Currently, each student, each piece is lost and mixed. An ordinary person can't solve it. With Myers and Stuco, this can be fixed. I have ideas, it's gonna be lit. First, games and movies projected on the big screen. More trash cans and tables, I want this campus clean. School-wide tournaments, I hope you get involved. With each idea, the cube is closer to being solved. Napping stations, where we can all sleep together. With this and many more ideas, I have the very pleasure to turn the last few sides and unite Harker school-wide. With everything that I can provide, let's keep our school pride.
Oh.